A warm welcome to everyone. Today's video is all about a survey I've done with my friends about cashless society. So, what is cashless society? Cashless society is where people uses digital money rather than physical money, which is banknotes, to perform any kind of purchase. When it comes to digital money, there is not only one type. There are many types of digital money. Firstly, we'll talk about the most commonly and widely used in a lot of countries, which is e-wallet. For an example, China uses Alipay and WeChat Pay as their most common e-wallet, where in Malaysia we use Touch and Go. The second most common type of digital money we have been using for decades, which is credit card and debit card. And lastly, the least trending but with a huge potential. Yes, it's cryptocurrency. Some say it is the future of currency. For an example, we can take Bitcoin, which has the largest market cap. A few weeks ago, a very big thing happened, which is El Salvador adopted Bitcoin as their legal tender. El Salvador is the first country to adopt Bitcoin as their legal tender, which means El Salvador is using Bitcoin for all their payment, just like a normal currency such as USD and MYR. So now let's get to the point, the survey. For the first question, I asked them, will you be happy to use cashless system in our school? The majority answered yes, except for one guy. So when I asked him why, he said he prefer keeping money in his wallet rather than in his phone is safe for him. For the second question, I asked them, do you feel you have enough information about cashless society? To be honest, I was shocked with the majority answer. The majority answered no. I feel they are still typical about money and they are less updated about the cashless society. For question number 3, will cashless system benefit the school community? And mostly answered yes. For question number 4, will you still bring money if cashless system is introduced? And yes, the majority answered yes as well. Because when I asked them, they were telling that what if my phone stopped working? What if my battery died? Yes, it's still good to bring physical money even we started using cashless system everywhere. In school, in malls, literally everywhere. For question number 5, I asked them, will you feel safer using cashless system in our school? Mostly answered yes. I think some of them are still aware about the theft happening around us. I feel keeping money in our phone is much better than keeping in wallet. So let's get to the conclusion. As for the conclusion, we can clearly see that the majority is happy to use cashless system in school. I think most of them are aware and updated about the cashless system. For my own opinion, I would be really happy to see cashless system introduced in schools. Because I feel keeping money in my phone is better than keeping in my wallet because of the theft happening around us. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining me.